All right, in the last video, I showed you how we built these games, these quiz games, using QuizForge, this GPT that I built in ChatGPT. And we have the code. So what we're going to do to implement these questions, where we left off in the last video, we had taken this original code. We only had 5 questions and built this game real quick. So there's only 5 here. We asked ChatGPT, the QuizForge, to give us some more questions. So now we have a list of a bunch more questions here, and I'm going to show you how to integrate those into the code really easily if you have never done that before. Again, this is just a really simple tutorial for people that haven't really messed with this kind of stuff a lot. But we're going to just open a new notepad and just paste the original code in here with these questions. In the last video, I told you, let's see, down here, here are the new questions. So I told you to grab this section right here. So we'll just grab this down right to here. We'll go ahead and copy this. And then we can come in here and we'll find our questions in the original code. And we'll just go ahead and replace this section right down to here. So we'll delete that out, paste that in there. Make sure that you do it exactly how it was. So there was a space here, and then make sure the top, there we go. Now we can take this code. Another way you could do this, I guess, is just grab it from the script area. So if we look here on QuizForge on the new question section, instead of just taking that section, if it makes it easier for you, you could probably just grab it from this script section, just copy this whole thing. Just notice at the bottom, you need the closing HTML at the bottom. So it only goes to that script. So if we look over here, down at the bottom, we'd copy and paste it all the way down to here. So if you wanted to, you could basically take this whole section out and paste that in there. But I like just taking the questions and putting them in there. But that's how you do that. Just that one section is all you need to do. And then we'll copy this. We'll run over to card, open this site back up, and then we'll just paste this code in here and save it. And it should be that simple. So we'll just delete all this out of here, paste this in there, and then save it. Okay, and now we can, if it loads, yeah, we should be good. So I'm just going to blast through these. Make sure we go past 5. If we go past 5, then we're good. Okay, here's 6. Okay, so you can see all these different questions that it came up with. So if we go over these, this is what's pretty cool. There's so many different topics you could do quizzes on, or build simple games like this to keep people entertained. Build a quiz about something you're trying to learn maybe. But it can really give you a lot of cool information. A lot of different cool questions that you probably would never think of if we look through these. So that's how you integrate that in there. And this is, again, if you guys want to take, I'll leave a link down below if you want to take the, I built a marketing quiz if you want to take that and leave your score down below just for fun. There's about 50 questions to test your marketing guru skills with terms in the industry. Just did that for fun. But yeah, so here we go. That's all done. Now, going on to the next thing, I want to just show you how I built this and kind of how I came about. So I'm going to go ahead and just close all this down.